Guys, I made this. Hey, I make this dress. I make for myself and my beautiful bouncing baby girl. So when you say a bouncing baby girl, this is the right bouncing baby girl. So guys, if you have not heard this voice before, you have not seen this face before, my name is Pretty Sharon because I'm pretty and I'm Sharon. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I make this dress. So watch the video, like, comment, subscribe, and share.
Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play through, only cause you set up the angle. Web that you weave got us tangled, caught in what's before our eyes. Show off your fantasy, reality, whoa, that's yours, but I'll keep to.
Alright guys, so let's get right into this video. For this video, I'm going to be using 6 years, 2 years for my daughter, 4 years for myself and I. So first of all, I'm showing you how the material look. The material is really nice. I bought this material from AliExpress. So me, I'm looking for Hollandis to buy, but I've not seen. Maybe later I will see the Hollandis. So right now I'm going to be showing you guys how I cut the material, how I share everything. So what is in the material, what kind of style I'm going to be showing, and everything. So first of all, I need to remove this thing. I remember when I was in Nigeria, my mother wanted to remove this thing. We need to be peeling it. Later, you will be seeing this mark. So later, my mom discovered that if you iron the paper, so the thing will remove. So this is how I decided to start doing this. So for a very long time, I have not sew or make any clothes. So right now, I'm about to make this beautiful dress. I've been doing some kind of dress, maybe little one. Can you see? It will come off easily without stress free. Remove it, then just try to iron that place so that the place will not be gummy. So after that, you can see what I'm doing right now. So in this video, what I'm going to be using for the video is I will need the tape. This is tape. No, this is a zip. I need zip. I need scissors. I need biro. I need a tape also. So, and I also need a chalk, white chalk or any color of chalk that I'm going to be using to mark the dress where I want to cut, so that I will not make any mistake. So I supposed to use a ruler before, but I did not have ruler at home, so I decided to just use my brain. You understand? So that's what I'm doing. I'm trying to count. Nigeria woman will need to check whether I complete 6 years. So this is it. The cloth was really easy though. It did not took me much to do. It was another dress that I wanted to make with another cloth, but I spent hours on that one. But this one, it was like nada. So it did not take me long for me to do. So as you can see, it's just 11 minutes and how many seconds. That was how I prepared this my sexy, beautiful dress. So right now I'm going to be measuring. You will understand. Just keep watching. I'm not a tailor, but my mom was a tailor, but right now she's no longer a tailor. My sister is a tailor also. No, my sister is a fashion designer. Oh shit. So my sister know how to do all this kind of thing, but me, I'm just trying to. When you have a golden hand, you can do anything. So that's the kind of hand that I have. I can knit, I can sew, I can do my nails, I can do my hair, I can do my makeup, I can do everything. I can even sew. I can even make a key. The one that where they tell your bola side in case if your baby shit on you, that kind of key. I can do that one also. Any kind of key you you want, I can do that. So your baby not the shit on you. So right now I'm trying to measure the hand of the dress, because this dress we will not be sewing any shirt in the upper part. We just need a rope, like rope when they take the hand person. If you like use nothing hang yourself, now you can't know, you not concern me. So I'm trying to measure the rope. So when I'm measuring it, I have to measure my chest first. May I look how my breast big reach, because if I can't go measure the one way too small, it not go reach my breast. Or if I measure the one way go too big, it can be like for my chest. So that's what I'm trying to do right here. As you can see, if you dey look closely and your eye dey see am wella. If your eye dey see am well, you go see am say I dey try measure the belt right now. So right now, another thing with my problem for this cloth na how to cut. the cutting I don't know. My scissors, this useless scissors that I'm using, the scissors is not working. I'm just forcing it. So right now I try to cut the belt. I just cut am. This one are 4 now. This one is 4. So I will use it for the belt because I want the belt to be very long. So I want the belt to be very long. I will cut it so that it will suit me very, very well. I want the belt to be perfect. So if you want to cut this belt, make sure you cut to your breast size. If you go cut my breast size, say your breast now 1 year about breast, now you can't know, not be me can say you that one. If you no can size your breast, now so precision take cut am. Madam, it is your problem, it is not my problem. Me, I'm just teaching you what I know. So this is it. This is one of it. Then the next one, we have to move to the belt, the waistband. You can see that waistband way round down, way go to make me they do jiggy like belt. It go be like say they burn the skirt, burn you, show you the get. So you have to measure am the way you want make the skirt wide reach. So I look and I reason, I come calculate and say, I want this belt to be high and beautiful and sexy. I want this belt to be beautiful and sexy. So I decided to cut it. So right now I'm measuring the length. I want the belt to long. So the length I want, hell, say English. YouTube, if I not blow, you no go better for now. YouTube, you go dream, see me. So I already measured the length. I want the close the belt to. This is the front part. Some people put a waist, what's it called? Elastic band in the back side, but me, I don't want elastic band or anything. So I just want the gown to be straight, both back and front. Everything go over my waist. It go be like say they burn the dress. So right now, as you can see, I'm trying to cut it on a straight line. You need to do it on a single file. So right now, I've cut it. So let's get into the next business. Let me not be disturbing you with my talk. God, I dey talk, sha. So may I live on, may not dey talk too much again. Now, they say too much talk, they make person see very finish. I know so even YouTube, I said, don't see me finish. I make I know the one my blow for this YouTube. I make I know they share my video, and I make no one watch. So no problem. So right now, I don't need to measure again. I don't need to measure the dress again. I just need to continue. You place that other one on top of the other the material. Then I will cut. So all these people they get the kind of name, funny name where they call this kind of thing. But me, I don't know all those names based on say I don't go to school. So now the idea where my matter they cut and my own, I make it hard together. So begin the cut. So if you understand. If you don't understand, you can't know. So as I'm saying. I'm cutting now. I'm trying to cut the dress. You can see it. So you see the one way they make for the front now. So that all those ones now I go even cut pocket put for the gown because I want to make the gown get like sexy pockets. So before you do anything, after you don't cut, you need to iron in case if the thing too big or it too small or how it dey. Just like iron the thing, fold down into two. To check this one and one part of the thing. They see the way I reach so now the way some people like they put something for all this is center for that to strong to come do gaga like get away they pass the neck Reverend Father but no me not define Reverend Father neck so I just define a man neck now they say and so then what I'll do for here now and for me to iron right now I go define where my iron they never know the thing the way I put on so last I can't see so now I continue to the iron now. They say and so you iron and put for ground. Then if you reach where you want this one, put just like fold the two tip together. So and arrange your skirt. Your skirt is set and gone. So continue. For the skirt, I will put belt for the back so that maybe say in case if I put on for my nyash, may not be say the waist go costly, go past hip. So I put on for my hip, zip for my back side, for the back of the dress. And also I'm not go see am. So right now that is what I'm trying to do. Just ironing and keeping it in place. I want this dress to be in place. I don't want me that the meleske or they do pass themselves. You see and so. So now so I tell iron. Make it well. So they see and so you don't do well. So you keep them for one side. And they like they explain they give you how the thing go take there for the front. Okay. So that's how it is in the front. That one and the one where I take out remove that paper where they carry join come. Okay. So this one are the pocket. You need to get pocket for inside in case if you want hide anything wey be say no be your own, you like carry am put for inside the pocket. I sew pocket for my own, I sew for my daughter own. I think na that one dey make am dey sexy more. I don't know till they do shakara. So right now I'm trying to cut out the white fold into four, just like cut the two line where they are two dey together. Then gonna separate them, one part for one side, one part for the other side. Right now I don already cut the two pockets, so I'll sew now for the next one. This one are the picture of the one I want use. So bye bye guys, see you. Alright guys, so as I saw I just sew and finish. I say I don't want you disturb una for the sewing, so me I no go the sew press machine. So this one are the final dress. This is how the dress is looking on me. This is how I'm looking sexy on budget, and I know so you like her, and even me I like her too. They say so even Valentina, oh, so I sew for myself, I sew for Valentina. So now so I call they make until they do shakara. So you see, and so I try for my best just to make the dress dey long everything, but now where a long reach, now be this one so, and it try a long reach. So if you know say you no like her, now you can know. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.